You guys should be so proud of yourself. You've now made it to the end of part one. And I want you to feel the weight of what you've built. Your mindset, you understand the markets, you could read the charts, you know how to plot levels, you understand the EMAs, you understand VWAP, how to risk management, our five signal types, and now it's time to put it all together. A trading plan is a conscious set of decisions that you make prior to getting inside of a trade. While things are moving fast inside of the market, these pre-routine checklists are what I use to wake up, get inside of the market before the open, and give myself enough time to check the macros. Any big news today, FOMOC, CPI, job reports, there is a major amount of economic data that hits before that 9:30 open. So it is important that you understand that the entirety of your success inside of the trading career, it comes down to how prepared are you. You are not going to plan to fail. You are going to fail to plan. It is that simple. My economics teacher in high school used to teach me that all of the time. Second, make sure you're marking your levels every single day. Going inside of the market, and it doesn't even matter if you have those levels and it's still trading inside of those levels. Get inside and do the work and grab your experience points. I know how many of you guys love to play video games. You love to level up your accounts and get cool Call of Duty gun skins and stuff like that. This is the same thing. Get inside of the markets and get those experience points every single day. The more experience you build inside of these markets by getting your levels done and getting them right and getting better ones every day makes you that much better of a trader. It gives you that much more of a defined edge inside of the market. So another thing is you need to establish your bias, right? Your bias is going to come from a top-down approach inside of the market. That means that you're going from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the hourlies and then to the minutes to check your work. I've taught you this time over time again. If you don't understand, I come inside of the live videos every morning for you, so you are open to ask me those questions. I have no problem teaching you guys how to make levels. So your trading plan document should include: are there macro events for today? Are my key levels marked? What is my bias today? And not my bias based upon what I feel. What is my bias based on reasoning? Signal types. Which am I looking for today? What's my max risk today? How many trades am I going to take before I am out? Remember, be the best loser in the room. And if I lose this amount, am I going to close my laptop and walk away? Because the best traders know when they are exit liquidity. And we here at Day Trade or Day One in Paradise are not exit liquidity. We have the faith then work strategy, and I try to teach each and every single one of you guys to simply understand the charts. The fourth thing is make sure you using a software that you can journal, whether that's a hardbound notebook like this, or what I like to use myself is I use Track My Trades AI. It is a software company that is partnered and paired with me to make sure that all of my trades are locked in one place. And this is where I have all of the magic happen. Every single trade for the month of May has been put inside of here. It's very intuitive, guys. Like, I'm able to see all of the metrics of all of the cryptocurrencies I trade in the market. If I'm getting out at the best spot, why, if I'm getting out at the best spot, was this the best spot, running P&L profits. It's a beautiful machine. I'm able to see what kind of emotion based decisions that I made inside of here. I can add my entries, my exits. I have an AI mentor to review all of my trades on here. So if you want to use something like this, I will put the link inside of the bio for a discount code so that you guys can use Track My Trades. Now, congratulations, you have pretty much everything that you need instead of prayers to do well inside of the market. So part 2 of this course and series is where we're going to dive deeper into the signals, deeper into the patterns, and how multiple time frames work. And I promise you, the more you build on this foundation, the more it compounds and keeps going. The best traders in this game started exactly where you are right now. All you have to do is keep coming back and keep practicing.